Hello and welcome back to Noob Gardening. So today we're going to talk pansies. Lovely jubbly. Strange that calling a person a pansy when they're one of the hardest plants out there. Great for a little bit of sunshine and colour during the winter months. So I've got a bed over here which was planted out with some marigolds and some Alison during the year. You can see most of them have gone over now. So first job is I'm just going to deadhead these just to collect some seeds and then clear out the rest of the bed and we're ready to plant. Right then, well, cleared all that out. If you notice, I separated the leaves away from the green stuff, mainly because I'm going to make some leaf mould. Watch out for a video for that if you're interested. But we're all cleaned out now, and so just going to get the pansies. Best thing to do when you're planting something, don't just suddenly dig them in the ground, especially if you want something formal. Lay them out first, just because then you can see what you're working with. You can dig in the right place. It's the best way to kind of make sure you get kind of nice lines and things like that. So yeah, time to plant some pansies. Right then, that's all done. All ready for winter now. All planted out in nice, reasonably neat lanes. So I'm just going to throw some water on this, just to make sure that they establish well. It's going to rain tomorrow anyway, so I'm not going to put that much water on. Don't want to drown the poor buggers. But that will produce, hopefully, some nice flowers all the way through winter.